When you're building document types in Umbraco CMS, you might run into having lots and lots of properties on your document type, making it difficult for your content editors to get an overview of where everything needs to go on the website. To help you organize and structure your document types better, to give your content editors a better editing experience, you can use tabs and groups to sort the properties into different categories. My name is Sophie, and in this video I'll show you the benefits of using tabs and groups, how they differ, and how you can use them to structure your document types nicely. Let's do it! What we have here is a pretty simple Umbraco website, a welcome page here, and a couple of different content pages below it. If we take a look at the welcome page here, there are quite a few different properties, all with different types of content that is placed in different places on the front end of the website. We even have to scroll quite a bit here to be able to get an overview of everything that's on this content. The properties are already divided into groups here. We have an SEO group here at the bottom, a footer group, call to action, the main content here, and then up top we have a group for the title content. So we have an idea of where on the website this content will actually go. However, it's still quite annoying that we have to scroll to see everything. Let's do something about that. So we'll go to the settings section here and find the document type that is used by the welcome page, which is the homepage document type here. And now let's add our very first tab. We will call this main content. Now what happens is that all of our groups are automatically added to this tab, except for the title box group and the SEO group. This is because these properties are inherited from other document types called compositions. For now, let's focus on the groups in the main content tab here. Right, let's keep the upper content and the call to action groups here, and we'll create a new tab for the footer group here. Now, when a group of properties is already defined, we can select the reorder option up here in the top, and then we can grab the group that we want to convert to a tab up to convert to tab up here. When we let go, a new tab will be created using the name of the group we've converted. All the properties from the group are automatically added to the tab as well. Great. Let's say we're done reordering, and let's check the main content. This is all stuff that we want to keep here. Great. Let's just save our document type for good measure here. Now, let's take a look at the generic tab. So we want to keep a clean structure. Let's get rid of this tab. We can do that by configuring the different compositions that have been added here. We'll start with the title box by clicking on the name over here. And then we will add a tab to the title box. We will call it title box, just to keep it simple. Let's save and close. And when we're back on the content tab here, we will see that a new tab has been created for the title box here. Great, let's do the same for the SEO composition. The generic tab is now gone from up here, and instead we have tabs for each of the compositions here. We have now sorted all of our properties and groups into categories that make sense for our website. Let's save the document type and see how it looks over on the content. Go here, we can see that we now only have the upper content and call to action groups here in the main content tab, and then we can switch to the other tabs up here. All of these changes will have no effect on the front end whatsoever. It is all to help your content editors have a better experience when managing content on your Umbraco CMS website. That was all I had for you in this video. Now you know a little bit more about groups and tabs and how you can use them to improve the editing experience for your content editors. Go ahead and give it a try on your own document types. I'm sure your content editors will appreciate you for it. That was all from me. Make sure to keep an eye on the channel for new content. Have a good one.